Whether it's a little or a lot, here's how to make money on YouTube. To earn money on YouTube, you need a topic, a genre, a niche, a category that might interest a lot of people. That's your content. You will be the creator. Some popular topics include music of all genres, children's songs particularly, how-to, podcasts, entertainment, food, gaming, beauty and fashion, sports, science and technology, travel, language learning, etc., etc., etc. What might your topic be? Importantly, your topic should be one you're familiar with and that you'd enjoy creating content for. Regularly updating your content will maintain your subscribers' interest. Viewers who comment or ask questions will return if you respond to them. Once you have your topic, the video will need a catchy title. A catchy title. Make it short and snappy and find a way to make it stand out. Experiment with fonts, colors, and size. Don't be afraid to use interesting and relevant illustrations. When it's time to create your video, you can use a smartphone or a camcorder to capture a video. Or you can make a PowerPoint slideshow which converts to video. There are also lots of free tools online for making videos, such as Animoto, Canva, CapCut, Filmora, StoryTap, and many more. After making the slides or clips for the video, edit it so it makes sense and is engaging. A video that runs for at least 10 minutes has more earning potential than a short video. At least 10 minutes. Now create an attractive thumbnail for viewers to click on to access your video. Too much to remember? You can save or download this video for future reference. If you hang on till the end, though, you can get the free PDF search engine optimization for YouTube from the link below. So how does monetization work? Successful monetization depends on views. To become eligible for monetization, a channel must have 1,000 subscribers and have recorded 4,000 watch hours during the past year. How much your channel can earn depends on the 5 key factors that YouTube records. The 5 factors that earn. 1. The number of views of the video. 2. How long the view lasts. And 3. If an ad appears, how long the ad is watched. And 4. Whether or not the viewer clicks on the ad. And 5. If the viewer takes action on the ad. How do earnings vary? Based on the viewer's location, not all views are monetized. Ads may be skippable or non-skip. Ad blockers can impact a video's monetization, and of course the advertiser's budget. Engaging videos have a higher earning potential, and any engagement with ads means higher earnings. The key to earning money is the length of time of a view. YouTube prioritizes watch hours over views. The number of views doesn't necessarily correlate to revenue earned. So, how long a viewer watches is more valuable than the number of views. The pay range is between $2 and $12 per 1,000 views, and once the channel reaches 4,000 watch hours during 12 months, monetization. There are instances of videos being viewed 1,000,000 times overnight. 1,000,000 views could earn between $2,500 and $40,000, depending upon those 5 factors. YouTube is where talent is rewarded. And again, the 5 factors. 1, the number of views of the video. 2, how long the view lasts. And 3, if an ad appears, how long the ad is watched. And 4, whether or not the viewer clicks on the ad. And 5, if the viewer takes action on the ad. Now, how to get your own YouTube channel. First, you need to have a Google account. 1. Go to the Google account sign-in page and click Create Account. 2. From the drop-down menu, select For Personal Use. 3. Enter your basic information. 4. Click Use your email address and enter your current email address. 5. Click Next. 6. Verify your email address with the code sent to your existing email. 7. Enter that code into the sign-up page. 8. Click Verify. Once you have a Google account, sign in to YouTube. Click your profile picture, go to Settings, click Add or Manage your channel or channels, click Create a Channel. You'll be asked to create a channel. With your Google account name and photo, check the details and confirm that the channel was created. Upload the video. Sign in to YouTube Studio. In the top right corner, click Create. Select Upload Videos. Select the file you'd like to upload. When the upload completes, click Edit. To optimize search results, insert information in short sentences with keywords. Upload the thumbnail image. Get the free PDF Search Engine Optimization for YouTube from the link below. When your video has 4,000 watch hours, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program and allow ads. Open the YouTube Studio app, select Content from the bottom menu, choose the video you want to monetize, tap Edit, tap Monetization, select On to turn on ads, tap Back, and then Save. You can also make money on YouTube by inviting viewers to support you with fan funding, working with brands as an influencer, crowdfunding creative projects, licensing your content to media outlets, selling products and merchandise, and using affiliate marketing. Once monetized, make your video searchable by advertisers. Reach out to companies that are similar to your content to advertise on your site. Search Engine Optimization for YouTube. The free PDF SEO Optimization for YouTube covers everything from titles and keywords to video editing apps. You can get a copy by accessing the link in the description below. And finally, a plea to the public. Please subscribe and like, and thanks for watching.